Today, let's bring a touch of tradition to your table with a comforting dish, Bori Diye Lau Ghonto. Let's start by prepping our star ingredient, lau or bottle gourd. Peel off the skin and cut it into thin slices. Lau is not only light and easy to digest but also packed with hydration. It's perfect for summer meals and helps keep your body cool. Plus, it's a great source of fiber and essential vitamins. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button for more everyday easy Bengali cooking recipes. Heat a tablespoon of mustard oil in a kadai and drop in the kolai daler puris and gently swirl them around. Keep stirring to ensure they turn golden and crispy, but be careful, they can burn very quickly. Remove them once they are light golden. Now add a bay leaf and cumin seeds. As they splutter, it's time for the lau. Toss in the pieces and give everything a good mix. Add some salt, cumin powder and freshly grated ginger for that extra zing. Cover the pan and let it cook on low to medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. You will notice the lau releasing water and reducing in volume. To finish, add a spoonful of ghee for a rich aroma and mix well. Add the crispy boris and gently crush them while mixing into the dish. This gives the ghonto its unique texture and flavor. Serve Bori Diye Lau Ghonto with hot steamed rice for a wholesome, heartwarming meal. Perfect for any day when you crave simple, soulful Bengali flavors. Enjoy this classic recipe and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.